Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a tasty sweet which is doodh pak. Doodh pak is a milk based sweet dish, something like a kheer, which is popular in Gujarat. The ingredients are very few, it might take little time, but the ingredients are few and it is very easy to make. Here I have taken 1 liter of full cream milk and I have kept it to boil. Apart from that, I need 8 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of rice I have just soaked in water and kept till the milk boils, some cardamom powder and a few strands of saffron. So let us just wait for the milk to come to a boil. Now the milk has come to a boil. Take a little bit of milk and pour it over a few strands of saffron and keep it aside for the color to develop. Lower the heat to sim and add the rice which you had soaked. Drain the water and add the rice to it. If you have basmati, it's fine, but even otherwise, whatever your regular rice which you use at home, raw rice, you can add it, no problem. You have soaked it, so it will cook well. Now, keep the gas on sim and just allow it to continue to simmer for another 20-25 minutes, and you keep coming and checking on it and stir it once in a while so that it doesn't stick to the sides. Wait till the milk also reduces in quantity and the rice is also cooked so that you get a very creamy doodh pak. So let us just wait for the rice to be cooked and the milk also to be reduced. Now it is 30 minutes since we put the rice. Let us check it out and always scrape all what was the cream on the sides. Now take this, see, and just check if the rice has cooked very well and the milk has also reduced. At this stage you add in the sugar. Mix it thoroughly and again allow it to simmer for another 10 minutes. And as I always say, whenever you make any sweet, preferably use a heavy non-stick pan so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. So let it continue simmering for another 10 minutes now. See, now it has been boiling for about 15 minutes after adding the sugar. It has become thick and creamy. I have increased the flame very slightly, but when you increase the flame, please don't move from here. This sweet requires lot of patience. If you increase the flame and move away, it will just overflow and you will not get a good doodh pak. So just take care. The process is simple, but one main ingredient is patience. You require a lot of patience. So now you can switch it off and add about half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and then this saffron which we had soaked in warm milk. See how it has developed the color. Just add it to your doodh pak. Doodh pak is now ready to serve. You can transfer it to the container, the serving dish. Your doodh pak is now ready. You can have it either warm or chilled depending on your choice. And with the festival season fast approaching, you can have it as a payasam on any day, or a kheer if you would prefer to call it that way, or for any celebration, or just indulge your sweet tooth. Do try out this recipe. It is very simple and easy to make, and share your experience with me on Geeta's Kitchen. And do subscribe for more such easy, tasty, simple Indian vegetarian recipes. Thank you.